In front of me is HMD Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then tap on any of those themes. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and hit apply. If you want to customize it, tap on the same icon. This time select this plus and tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, hit next. Adjust the background darkness by swiping left or right on this slider. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!